Well, hello everyone and welcome to this GoHighLevel pricing explainer. The current marketing landscape is defined by one word: consolidation. As agencies and small businesses move away from software bloat, the pricing of paying for a CRM, a funnel builder, an email tool, and a social media scheduler separately, GoHighLevel has become the definitive all-in-one command center. However, for a new user, the jump from $97 to $497 per month can be intimidating. You see, understanding the GoHighLevel pricing structure is not just about looking at the monthly fee. It's really about understanding the unit economics of your business. Each tier represents a different stage of growth, from the solo consultant to the full-scale software mogul. In this breakdown, we'll demystify the three primary plans and help you identify exactly where you belong. Also, if you want to try GoHighLevel yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start your free trial. So let's begin with the starter plan at $97 per month, the foundation. The starter plan is GoHighLevel's entry ticket. This plan is specifically designed for solo entrepreneurs, small business owners, or side hustle marketers who are managing a single brand. So, what's included? Don't let the name starter fool you. On this tier, you get access to almost every functional tool in the GoHighLevel arsenal. This includes the full CRM, the drag and drop funnel builder, the website builder, the social media planner, and the workflow automation engine. You can store unlimited contacts and add unlimited internal users, such as your team members, to this account. But here's a critical limitation. The defining boundary of the starter plan is the sub-account limit. The starter plan allows you to manage up to 3 sub-accounts. A sub-account is an isolated workspace with its own database, funnels, and phone numbers. Who is this for? A local plumber who wants to manage their own leads, or a freelancer who only has 2 clients and wants to keep their data strictly separated. The trap? Well, if you're an agency owner planning to sign 10 clients this year, the starter plan is a false economy. Once you hit that 4th client, you are forced to upgrade and you miss out on the white labeling features that make an agency look professional. And at this point, we'll be going over to the next plan, the unlimited plan of $297 per month. This is really the agency workhorse. If you ask a successful agency owner which plan they use, 9 times out of 10, it's the unlimited plan. At $297 per month, this tier represents the sweet spot where the software costs stay flat while your revenue potential becomes infinite. The power of unlimited sub-accounts. The headline feature here is simple. You can create as many sub-accounts as you want. Whether you have 10 clients or 1,000, your monthly bill to GoHighLevel remains $297. This fundamentally changes the math of running an agency. Currently, where profit margins are squeezed by rising ad costs, having a fixed software overhead is a massive competitive advantage. Now, this is where you stop being a high-level user and start being a software provider. The unlimited plan allows you to map the platform to your own custom domain. You can replace the GoHighLevel logo with your own and change the color scheme to match your brand. When your clients log in to check their leads or reply to an SMS, they see your brand. This builds incredible trust. It's much harder for a client to fire an agency when that agency provides the very software they use to run their business every day. For the tech-savvy marketer, the unlimited plan unlocks full API access. This allows you to build custom integrations with third-party tools or create proprietary snapshots that can deploy to new clients in seconds. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to try GoHighLevel yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start your free trial. And then you have the SaaS Pro plan at $497 per month, the Empire Builder. Currently, the term SESpreneur is gradually going mainstream, and it was built on the back of the SES Pro plan. This is the most expensive tier, but it is also the only one that allows you to turn the software itself into a hands-off recurring revenue machine. SaaS Mode, automated reselling. On lower tiers, if you want to sell access to the software, you have to manually create the account, set up the permissions, and build the client through a separate tool like PayPal or Stripe. SaaS Mode automates all of this. You can go ahead and create plans. For example, Basic, Pro, etc. When a client signs up on your website, GoHighLevel automatically creates their sub-account, charges their credit card, and restricts your features based on the plan they bought. Now, this is the secret sauce of the $497 plan. GoHighLevel uses a system called LC Phone and LC Email to send messages. On the starter and unlimited plans, you pay the cost of these messages. On the SaaS Pro plan, you mark up those costs. If an SMS costs $0.01, you can set the system to charge your client $0.03. The $0.02 profit goes directly into your pocket. For agencies with clients sending thousands of messages, this rebilling often covers the entire $497 monthly cost of the software, thus making the platform effectively free. Included in the SaaS Pro plan is the ability to have your own branded app in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Instead of telling your clients to download the Lead Connector app, you tell them to download your agency app. At this time, having your own app in the store provides a level of authority that is impossible to fake. Now, one mistake many marketers make is assuming the monthly subscription is their only expense. GoHighLevel has a pay-as-you-go model for the gas that runs the machine. You have communication credits, where you pay per SMS, per minute of calling, and per email sent. While the rates are low, roughly about $10 for 10,000 emails, high-volume campaigns require a budget. AI employee credits. Using the AI to book appointments or write content costs AI credits. This is typically billed at $0.05 to 12 cents per conversation. Content AI and Reviews AI. Generating images or auto-responding to Google reviews also pulls from your credit balance. So here's a pro tip. If you're on the SaaS Pro plan, you can rebuild these AI costs to your clients at 2 or 3 times markup, turning these expenses into another source of income. So in this comparison, which plan should you choose? Well, go ahead and choose the $97 starter plan if you're a solo business owner managing your own marketing, you're a freelancer with 1 or 2 clients and don't care about branding the dashboard, and you're on a strict budget and just want to test the funnel building features. You can go ahead and choose the $297 per month unlimited plan if you are a done-for-you agency. You build funnels and run the ads for the client. You could also go with this plan if you have more than 3 clients, you want to present a professional white label front to your customers, and you want your software costs to stay flat while you scale. But you could of course choose the $497 SaaS Pro plan if you want to sell software as a service rather than just services. Also, you could choose this if you want to automate your billing and client onboarding, you want to earn profit on your client's SMS and email usage, and you want your own branded mobile app in the app stores. If you're trying to save more money on the long run, there is the annual versus monthly billing. GoHighLevel offers a significant 20% discount for those willing to commit. By paying annually, you typically get 2 months for free. The starter drops to roughly $77, the unlimited drops to $237, and the SaaS Pro plan drops to $397 per month. If you're serious about building an agency, the annual unlimited plan is the single best investment you can make in your business infrastructure. GoHighLevel's pricing is designed to grow with you. The starter plan lets you get your feet wet. The unlimited plan lets you build your professional agency. The SaaS Pro plan lets you build a software empire. Most people start at $97 per month plan, realize the power of the platform within 2 weeks, and upgrade to $297 tier to unlock the unlimited potential. The key is not to get distracted with the high-level features of the $497 plan until you have the client volume to justify it. So deciding a pricing plan is the first step toward reclaiming your time and scaling your revenue. GoHighLevel isn't just an expense. It's the engine of your business. By consolidating your tools into one platform, you reduce technical headaches and increase your profit margins. Also, if you want to try out GoHighLevel yourself, don't forget that you can use my link down below in the description to start your free trial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.